Now I'm going to ask you, what's the future of ICT? I think it's very exciting. The world is changing and it is so dynamic, and I bet today a lot of entrepreneurs will be looking at a lot of things using ICT, because ICT will be the disruptor and enabler of the future. There will be a big demand from upstart companies, and if you really want to enjoy, working in a dynamic company, you have a lot of exciting companies. There's called Google, it's called Amazon, and of course we have a few homegrown ones today. So if you like challenges in this ICT line, take it up.
IT itself is actually agnostic to all industries. So all industries can actually hire our students. When they graduate with our diploma, they also can pursue a higher education. We do have our flagship course, which is our Diploma in Information Technology, and two signature courses, which is our Diploma in Applied AI Analytics, and certainly our Diploma in Infocom and Security Management. The other reason is certainly because of us lecturers. We consider ourselves very experienced, nurturing lecturers, very hands-on. We will be with you most of the time in your entire 3 years journey. And a very third important reason is, of course, our dedicated learning facility center. I give you a very good example, which is actually our Cyber War Game Center. Students can actually conduct investigative, offensive and defensive skills, and they can also work in a classroom environment to actually simulate cyber war game centers together with their classmates. So if you have the passion for computing, this is a course for you.
Computing is actually important in the current digital age that we are in, especially in my area of work, where I actually work with a team of developers. Without my experiences in SP, I wouldn't be where I am today. The course was designed in such a way that it covers most IT domain knowledge, from programming, networking to project management. I actually really enjoy the 3 years, and the skills and knowledge that I pick up from my diploma in IT actually helped me in my current work today.